Hey guys, Jordan Kistler with South Bay Pontoons here to show you our brand new Slate 24-foot Ultimate Lounger. You'll notice a couple upgrades from 2021. So moving into 2022, we've gone to all recessed cup holders. Gives you more versatility in the furniture. We've also given you an upgrade on your helm. You'll notice we got away from the color matched helms that kind of blended together. Now we've brought a high-end automotive aesthetic into a midline price range. So it's a completely soft touch black shroud accompanied with a silver dash insert. So really high end, great aesthetic. Really excited for you guys to see it.